What's going on, guys? Social State 7 there, coming at you with another pickup video today, man. I'm excited. Like all my pickups, I'm always excited. But yeah, man, we'll go straight to it, man. These are the Fall Winter 11 Thunderbird jerseys. Man, these are like, what, 10 years old now? Crazy. Sorry, no, 11 years old, because they're Fall Winter 10, 11. But yeah, man, these jerseys are straight fire. Had to cop both. Had to cop both colorways in the white and the black. Obviously, these jerseys was made famous by Frank Ocean. He wore this on Saturday Night Live, the black one, and Schoolboy Q. He wore this obviously, and the Tyler the Creator also wore this colorway. But man, these jerseys are straight fire. Not only did I pick up one, but I've got another one of the white as well. So, woo! Got another white. Anyone got the black? Let's make it happen, man. I'm gonna get two of each. But yeah, these jerseys are just straight fire, man. Like, we'll say like maybe 6-7 years ago, these jerseys were like prices 600, 700. Obviously, because Schoolboy Q, Frank Ocean, and Tyler the Creator rock these. But man, these jerseys are straight fire. Like, I always say it, like, obviously people got their opinions on what the best Supreme pieces are, but jersey wise, this is number one, like top best jersey of all time. Like, obviously, as you can see, like, you got the obviously the Thunderbird there, like the Native American Thunderbird. Actually, let me open it up for you. On the back, you got Supreme number 10. You got 10 on the shoulders as well. Here by the bicep, obviously 10, and 10 on this side as well. Man, this jersey is like, whew, fire. The black one as well, fire. This only came in two colorways, which is the white and the black. But as I said, these are the two best jerseys, man, in my opinion. I had to get another white one as well. But man, I copped these for. I always look for the steals, man. Look for the bargains, but like, I'm surprised, like, the prices of these now. Like, people slept on these. Like, obviously it's like 11 years, obviously an 11-year-old jersey, but these jerseys are just, the price wise, I couldn't pass. I couldn't pass on them, so I had to cop, man. Like, obviously the black and the white. I had to get two of the white. One of the whites I got for dirt cheap, like. So yeah, man, that was crazy. But yeah, I love these jerseys, man. Best jerseys of all time. But yeah, you can see on this side as well, obviously you got the black, you got the grey down here with the black stripes here. Oh, too sick. But guys, man, let me know what you feel about this jersey as well, man. If you got them yourself or if you don't. But yeah, man, I'm gonna make this a quick pickup video anyways, because it's only jerseys I'm doing. But yeah, obviously second pickup that I've got, boom, the Fall Winter 11 Hennessy jersey. This jersey is fire. This is the second best jersey of all time, man. But yeah, this is the XL, but it fits me, like, fits me good, bruv. This jersey fits me good. But yeah, this jersey was made famous by ASAP Yams. Rest in peace, ASAP Yams. I'm not sure if the other ASAP mob obviously rocked this jersey, but I know ASAP Yams rocked this jersey. And yeah, man, he made famous to that. But these jerseys, man, at the time, say like 6 years ago as well, these were going for at least like £600-700. I know in Grailed right now they're going for £700, but I got this for like $350. That's like what, £280? But yeah, calm, whatever, fuck it. Like, compared to back in the day, like, obviously I waited in out, but this jersey is in good condition. Like, just a little bit slightly fading around the collar, but yeah, it's not bothering me at all. It's like not super faded, but yeah, obviously due to age, it's a 10-year-old jersey. What do you expect? But yeah, man, as I said, I gave it a little wash. It came from the States. Big up to the seller. I can't remember your name, from Seattle. Yeah, this guy's safe, man. Like, the guy that hooked me on this jersey, like, obviously Madness obviously we got to go through customs, and I paid import tax, which was like £80 import. Like, fucking this fucking whatever revenue people, like, fuck you, man, charging people taxes and that, like. But yeah, I paid £80, and yeah, man, fuck it, like, obviously 280, extra £80 on top of that. But yeah, I was a bit pissed. But yeah, man, big up the guy. He actually went halves on me with the import tax. Like, the guy's safe, man. Big up yourself, bro. Like, the guy went halves on me. Like, he didn't have to, but he went halves. Like, and I appreciate that, bro. Love for that, man. Love for that. Shout you out right now. But yeah, man, like, overall, man, this jersey is just fucking fire. Like, this jersey is fire. Like, all these jerseys that I've got are just fire. Like, I'm happy. Like, I'm happy. I can die happy. Like these are my grails. Like, grails of grails. Like, I'm happy. I can die happy. Like, but yeah, man, I'm gonna actually show you what they look like on as well. So obviously you can see. Like, I know I've seen a couple of people do these videos, post this up. But yeah, man, don't watch the Barnet, man. I need a fucking haircut. But yeah. It's a large, a size large as well, so. You can see, size large. I'm kind of a fat cunt as well, so I put on a bit of weight during this lockdown. But yeah, this is the size large. It fits me perfect. Like, if I lose a bit of weight, it'll be better. But it's calm. It's not too tight. But yeah, size large. You see the print. Supreme 10 on the back. Try the black one. Don't watch the belly, guys. But yeah, try the black one. Out of all the colorways, this is my favorite. This is my favorite colorway. Okay, say hello to everybody. Say hello, everybody. I'm back. Say I'm back. Here, say I'm back. Say hello.
Hello.
Say
Hello.
Say hi, everybody.
Amelia.
Say my name is Amelia. Okay, then go on and go play now. Say bye. Oh, she's always in my videos. But yeah, this is the black. This is my favorite color out of the two. Size large also. Number 10 on the back. Size large, fits me perfect. As I said, if I lose a bit of weight, hopefully this year or sometime soon, it'll fit me a bit better. But yeah, see number 10 here. Yeah, this jersey's live, man. Don't turn that on. Don't turn it on. Go play. Come on. Go play now. And I'll give you ice cream. Come on. Go. Go. So yeah, that was the. I won't try the other one on. You know what it looks like anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna go with the last one, which is the Hennessy. And yeah, man, this came in. This came in 4 colorways, which is the black, the red, the baby blue, and I think the tan. Yeah, so the black, the baby blue, the red, and then a tan color. Like, quote me if I'm wrong, like a tan kind of beigey color. But yeah, this is obviously the black one's my favorite colorway. As you can see, this is an XL. It is quite. It fits exactly like the Thunderbird jerseys, but yeah, you can see Hennessy written there, printed. You've got the 2 stripes here around the bicep. You've got the O in the back, Supreme. But yeah, this is a football jersey, innit? But Obviously, you can't be wearing it like without a t-shirt underneath. You can see a bit of nip in it. But yeah, I just wear it with like a white tee or something, or a black tee. But yeah, this jersey is hard, man. Alright. Out of the 4 colorways, the black one's my favourite. Obviously, yes, ASAP Yams made this famous. Rest in peace, Yams. But yeah, guys, I'm going to end the video right now. I'm going to talk a bit more. I've done 10 minutes of this video. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think about the video, about this jerseys. If you're feeling it or not. Obviously, like, for me, personally, these are my grails. Put my glasses on, actually. These are my grails, innit? So, obviously, these are going to be my favourite jerseys. But yeah, man, let me know if you guys got these, just got this yourself, or got the Thunderbird as well. But yeah, comment below, subscribe, you hit the like button as well. And yeah, man, guys, stay safe during this COVID situation and take care. Peace.